Before we start our topic of Boolean algebra, we need to define a function, which we've previously touched on. So a function from a set x to a set y, which we denote f colon x to y, is basically a rule or a mapping that associates a unique element, f of x, which is an element of the set y, to each x value being an element of the set x. So an example of a function is real multiplication. So we have a function that maps a pair of real numbers to a real number, is defined as a function of x and y being equal to x multiplied by y. And another example of a function is if we consider two sets a and b having the following values, then we can represent the function from a to b using a function table. So one of those functions may map the following values of a to the following values of b. So two functions f and g are equal if f of x is equal to g of x for all x in the set x.